This is 97 3rd Street. This is a 3-unit building that is on a good section of 3rd Street. The town has just repaved all the sidewalks in the street. Probably doesn't matter to most tenants, but it's natural gas heat. It's just 3 units. It has a 2-bedroom, it's good size on the first floor, and then 2 1-bedrooms up. There is a coin-op area, which all the tenants have access to, which is on this door over here. The unit just came empty. You can see here that one of the tenants has decorated the steps. 'Tis the season, I guess. It does have a keypad lock on the outside, which we are starting to utilize. They're expensive, but it means you don't have to have a second key, which is kind of convenient. Has a common stairway, 2 units upstairs, just this 1 downstairs. Has a little entry you walk into. The owner did some upgrades on this 4 years ago, I think now. Did ceramic tile in the entry and here in the kitchen. It does have a pretty spacious kitchen, especially for an older building. Plenty of room for a table right in the sort of window section there. And then it's got sideboard over here, plus countertop over there. It has a dishwasher, which can be rare in Bangor. And then stove, refrigerator. And it's got one of the bedrooms on this end, and it's kind of nice because bedrooms are separated. This is a big master bedroom. Would do a king-size bed, no problem at all. Has got the laminate flooring, closet over here in the corner, which is pretty good size. It's got the built-in shelf. It's also, this unit has got 10-foot ceilings, so kind of nice from that perspective because you've got the tall ceilings. It's got smoke detector missing there because the power was shut off because the tenant moved out. They're battery backup CO smoke detectors, both of which are sitting on top of the fridge. And the power will be back on today or tomorrow, and we'll hook those back up with new batteries. You can't leave them connected though when there's no power because the tenants upstairs would hear the chirping. Not the best thing at middle of the night situation. I guess a little nook here. Most tenants have put a little stool or something there. It's got a living room here. Again, tall ceilings. Just mid-sized living room, but plenty of room. It's got the thermostat for the unit over here, and then cable. Tenants have had both cable, which is what's over the wall there, and then tenants have had satellite as well. All the windows were replaced by the current owner, so the windows are replacements. Again, tall ceiling, but not a bad size room. Not huge either though, but not too bad size. Second bedroom is off of this. I'd say this is on the smaller side. We'll fit a full-size bed, no problem. Queen will fit. King would be tight. I don't think king would fit at all. It does have a good-sized closet though, right here behind the door. It's technically a walk-in, but obviously it's a little smaller than that. But still pretty good size. A lot of the older apartments in Bangor have got very thin, narrow closets. Can't fit much in them. And then this bathroom over here, again, the owner redid, new vanity, and did a solid fiberglass shower. So it doesn't have, it had one of those metal cheap, they tend to leak actually. So pretty good size. This is just how the tenant left it. Probably have to do a little cleaning, but overall, I think it's in good shape. If you are interested, let us know. It's a great location because it's walking distance to everything downtown, as well as has 2 parking spots off street. And we're happy to answer any questions you may have. Rentbangor.com, 974-6606.